In this video, we are going to talk about fuzzy numbers. It is interesting to know that a fuzzy set A defined on all real numbers becomes a fuzzy number under certain conditions. What are those conditions? A is normal fuzzy set, which means height of A is 1. B, alpha cut A is a closed interval for alpha belonging to interval open 0 close 1, that is A is convex, and C, strong zero cut A, that is support A, is bounded, or it is piecewise continuous and hence can be operated upon by binary operations, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division done with real numbers but with different rules. Let us see how. Hello friends, you are watching YouTube channel Number Collage. This channel features videos on mathematical concepts. Effort has been made to explore the concepts through basic mathematical ideas. Hope you will like my effort. You can even check playlist of this channel. Perhaps you might find videos that you are looking for. We will see how just by looking at graphical representation of a fuzzy set and by applying above conditions, how we can confirm that the fuzzy set graphically represented is a fuzzy number or not. For quick understanding of fuzzy numbers, let us study graphical representations of a few fuzzy sets. Graph of a triangular fuzzy set. In this triangular fuzzy set, height is 1, hence it is normal. Secondly, alpha cut A is a closed interval for alpha belonging to open 0, closed 1. That is, segment joining any 2 points in its interior lies entirely within the triangle. So A is convex. And thirdly, strong zero cut A, that is support A, is bounded. Hence, this triangular fuzzy set is a fuzzy number. In this trapezoidal fuzzy set, height of fuzzy set A is 1, which implies A is normal. Alpha cut A is a closed interval for alpha belonging to open 0, close 1, or segment joining any 2 points within the graph lies entirely inside the trapezium. So A is convex. And finally, support A, that is strong zero cut A, is bounded, which confirms that this trapezoidal fuzzy set A is a fuzzy number. In graphical representation of another parabolic fuzzy set, height h of A is not 1, it is less than 1 from the gap seen here, even though other conditions are satisfied, such as alpha cut A is closed interval for alpha belonging to interval open 0, closed 1, and segment joining any 2 points within the graph lies entirely inside the graph, which implies A is convex. And the third condition, that support A, which is strong zero cut A, is bounded, is also satisfied. Therefore, this parabolic fuzzy set A is not a fuzzy number. In graphical representation of a parabolic fuzzy set, height of A is 1, implying A is normal. Alpha cut A is closed interval for alpha belonging to interval open 0, close 1. Segment joining any 2 points within this parabola lies entirely inside the graph, which shows A is convex. And finally, support A, which is strong zero cut A, is bounded, which confirms that this parabolic fuzzy set A is a fuzzy number. In a twin parabolic fuzzy set, height of fuzzy set A is 1, implying A is normal, but alpha cut A, which is union of two disjoint sets, closed interval a comma b and closed interval c comma d, with a break between b and c, so it is discontinuous for alpha belonging to open 0 closed 1. And if we try to connect 2 points within these two parabolas, the whole segment does not lie entirely inside the graph, but this part of segment lies outside the graph, implying A is not convex, even though support A, that is strong zero cut A, is bounded, which confirms that this twin parabolic fuzzy set is not a fuzzy number. In this parabolic fuzzy set, height h of A is 1, so it is normal, but alpha cut A is not closed interval for alpha belonging to interval open 0 closed 1, which implies A is not convex. Moreover, support A is from minus infinity to plus infinity. Hence, support A, which is strong zero cut A, is not bounded. This confirms that this parabolic fuzzy set A is not a fuzzy number. In the next video, we will analyze some exam problems by applying above conditions for fuzzy numbers and decide given fuzzy sets are fuzzy numbers or not. Viewers, if you like this video, please click the like button. Share this video with your friends and classmates. Subscribe to this channel. Post your constructive comments to make the videos better. You can even check playlist of this channel. Perhaps you might find videos that you are looking for. See you in the next video. Until then, keep watching Number Collage. Thank you.